Hi, I'm going to be explaining how the safety system for a standard RoboJob installation works. The primary component of our safety solution is our laser area scanner located below the unit. We use the scanner to create 3 different safety zones. The first and outermost zone, zone 1, is a slowdown zone. If I enter this zone, the robot begins to run at a reduced speed. Once I exit, the robot resumes full speed operation. The second zone we have, zone 2, is a pause zone with an automatic reset. Once I enter this zone, the robot pauses its operation until I exit. Once I exit, after a brief cooldown period, the robot will resume operation from where it was. The third, innermost zone is a stop zone with a manual reset. Once I enter this zone, the robot will again stop operation, but now it will require for me to manually confirm that I have exited the safety scanner. Once I verify that I'm out of the safety zone, the robot will again resume operation from where it was. Toward the side of the RoboJob unit, we have supplementary hard guarding to make sure that areas that the area scanner cannot see are still protected.